To do this, it seems that you need a fairly thin card. You can try it even with a thicker one, but a thin one might be a better option. Cut it in half and simply slide it down to release the clips. And you should normally do this on both sides. And now you need something, a sort of tool like this that doesn't scratch plastic, to start prying it from this end, from the back end. So let's get to it. So you need to push this tool fairly well in there and then just lift it like this. Probably I cannot do it with my left hand. Yeah, I can do it partially. So now it should pivot from this end towards the front. And it's out. You can see that is one of the clips and that is the other one. We managed to get this thing out.